Good evening, friends. This is Sid Panjabi here. Hope everyone's doing well and had a good Monday. So, I am going to run you through my trade today, which is the Nifty chart. Today being Monday, 18th May, and the time is 22:21, which is 10:21 p.m. at night. And we're going to analyze Nifty on the weekly time frame. So what Nifty has done, if you've seen my last video, we had spoken about Nifty being in the range of 9,500 and around 9,050 levels, and it was exactly in that range. But this week we've opened at around 9,158, and we've made a low of 8,823, and we closed at 8,806 today. So that being done, we've come and actually hit a support which is of around 8,800 levels. And since today is the first day of the week, Monday, so we need more information. But like we said last week, that if it breaks this low, we might be heading lower. So even if you want to take a trade on the Nifty in the futures, you can always take a short trade and keep a stop loss of the previous week's high, which was around 9,500 levels. So as you can see, that we need more information, and that information will be on Friday when we close. So I'm going to wait for Friday's closing to do anything. But if you trade options, then actually your best thing to do right now would be strangle Nifty calls and puts, and you would want to sell 9,400 to 9,500 calls, and you would want to sell around 8,600 puts. So you will get a good value. And right now Nifty looks to be range bound during this whole week, because we need more information, like I said. So I am going to move the Nifty support levels to around 8,700, 750, in between that. So that's our next support level, around those levels. So this is the level where I would be looking for Nifty, and our resistance would be the same. So you don't have to do anything for the resistance. Right now, if you want to know the script for the week, probably would be either of Sun Pharma or Tata Consumer on the buy side.